Salams and welcome. This is an introduction to the study secrets and how to pass your exams, right? Although it shows you tip number 21, we are starting today just with an introduction. The introduction in today's session basically is the reason why I've started this particular series on how to study and pass your exams. Myself, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, by the grace of the Creator Supreme, I have 4 degrees from Wits University, University of the Witwatersrand, in medicine and in science, and an advanced degree in science, in postgraduate degree in paleoanthropology and evolution. So I've got studies in advanced, in addition to medicine, I've got advanced genetics, marine biology, I've got zoology, I've got astronomy, and evolution and paleoanthropology. Evolution and paleoanthropology, alhamdulillah, I did that under the world-renowned Professor Philip Tobias from Wits University, the Dean of the Chancellor, the Dean of the Faculty of Medicine at Wits University in Parktown, right? So in addition to that, throughout the years, I've obtained many other various certificates and qualifications, and up to recently, I'm today 65 years old, but yes, last year, the age of 64, I obtained another diploma, alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even though I have suffered a stroke, a pituitary infarction, and I've got spinal disability. And this is to give you hope. It does not matter what your age is. If you are an adult learner, I'm going to share with you some secrets or tips about studying which your teachers probably did not teach you. I want to make a difference in the lives of South Africans. I want to make South Africa a better place. And my vision is that the starting place to make South Africa a better country is through education and knowledge. As South Africans, we need to get our diplomas and our certificates and our degrees, because if the fortunes in this country are not that good, then we can always go to another country whereby we can attain our income to survive for our families. But I do not encourage a brain drain. I would say, let's get the best qualifications and degrees that we can get, and we use our skills and our abilities to transform and help South Africa into being a better place for all its citizens. So join me during this month of October as I will share with you study secrets. And please remember, it's already October. It's already late. So even though you may be in a holiday mood at the moment, remember that holiday time is the best time to study. That is when you'll get your competitive edge. Your friends will fool you and mislead you to say, hey, have you seen the latest movie? Or hey, we're going out this weekend to a meal, come join us. But meanwhile, they are studying day and night. And I found this in my own experience, where your own class colleagues will try and dissuade you or put you off because they don't want you to succeed. So ignore everybody else. Remember, it is your life. And studying for exams is a battle between the amount of work that you've got to do and the amount of time that you have. None of us have got enough time. And you'll find that one day, the night before the exam, there are so many people who are cramming the night before the exams, and that's not the way to get your diploma. So I'm going to share with you some study secrets, how to pass your exams, what to do on the day of the exams, how to develop your brain power, because there's certain things that your brain needs from a medical and physiological point of view that you need to train your brain. Simple things, right? I will share all of that with you in some very short programs. So if you are so please tell your children, your grandchildren, and share these secrets with them. And if your child does not have a chance to watch these programs, then you as an adult, you as a parent, or you as a grandparent, please watch these programs and then share the tips with your children when you're meeting over supper or if you're having a braai over the weekend. And these are some lessons that will remain with you for the rest of your life. Right? And then you can share this knowledge with everybody else, because I would like to make a difference in the lives of South Africans. I want all of us to pass our exams and to be honorable, dignified, intelligent human beings. Because once we have knowledge and education, that is the only way we can make a difference in the lives of ourselves and people in South Africa. Because if you're uneducated, how do you even vote for a government? And unfortunately, in our country, we have a large amount of uneducated people. And uneducated people will not know which is the right person to vote for or which is the right party to vote for, and that is known as the mob mentality, because you'll only listen to the loudest voices or those who have a better PR marketing campaign. But if you are educated, then you will make an informed decision about the future of yourself and about the future of the country. The world belongs to the youth. So I'm encouraging the Gen Z and the youth to please follow these programs. It does not matter. I don't care if you have failed in your exams in June exams. It does not matter if you are at the bottom of the class. I will share with you some study secrets and some tips on how to pass your exams. And in the next 6 weeks, if you can focus on what I am telling you, you will get a shock of your life and your teachers will get a shock of their life. So please join me, and please remember, open your books today. Start revising today. Time is against you. You are fighting against time, right? Time is your biggest enemy when you are preparing for your exams. So you need to make a choice. Are you going to reduce your TV watching and your social media? Because no matter how tempting it is, that social media is not going to give you your degrees or your certificates. So reduce your movies. Even can be the world famous Oscar winning movie, that you Academy Award movie that you want to see. Please discipline yourself. You discipline yourself today and you will get your diploma or your certificate tomorrow. So join me in this month of October. And remember, the month of October, I'll be doing two major series here, alhamdulillah. Inshallah, one is on study secrets, and the second one, we know that October is known as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So please join me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as I share with you knowledge about breast cancer, how to do self-examination, what signs to look out for, and secondly, study secrets. Stay well, look after yourself, and I wish you all the success for your exams. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.